Guys, good morning. Currently, naatak ko sa Crown by Joe Salon sa Rojas of Davao City. Nakapaayos sa yung hair and tanaw na to kung unsa ang ilahang plan para sa hair nito. And karon is ila-ila na to ang kaning mag-atiman ko ito. Jay ang mag-assist sa ito.
Gawin natin ito live action. Ready ka na, madam?
Ready na si madam. So, currently makita na to karon ng result kay ash blonde ang plans na color nito. And as you can see, dagan sila opening customers, clients din. So far, sige may ug-agi din lately, pero wala mi nakapansin ani na salon. Unless kasi na lang pag-chat niya sa amoa, which they offered na i-color nila ang buhok nito. So,
a few moments later.
Perfect. Unicorn? Rainbow?
Yes,
Lahipod na.
Purple and blue. Rose ilalim.
Okay lang po.
Those are mga 3 hours or 4?
Mga 3 hours or 4 hours. So expected mahumanta around 4-5 p.m. Jerky kasi mukhang ano ba? Kasi mukhang passion.
Galing ako Manila.
Manila. Ano yung pa eh? Pero Bisaya gid kasi.
Bisaya dito ako.
Taga diri kay sa Davao, Mindanao.
Ito yung first process. Ito yung first process para ma-achieve na po ang color. So kailangan daw 3 to 4 process.
3 to 4 process. So first step na to sir kay
Yung first process na to, yung tanggal sa pag-pigment sa buhok. Magtanggal sa color sa buhok.
okay. So tanggalon ko nga kung di-color. Actually, ako lang mag-release ng color. Kanang color pink niya.
Oo. Ano kayo mga color? Ano kayo nakita?
So second na to nga step kay
Minta na to, pag na-achieve na lang mo ang tamang undercoat, hindi na tama deposit to another color. Para ma-process na rin ito toner.
Ang kasi nga processor?
Toner po.
Toner. Okay.
Next na lang siya after 1 hour pa.
So third process na to, mag-color na ta. Tama ba?
Ayan, sir.
And fourth process na to is ang
First process na to, yung mag-treatment na.
treatment.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
Seryoso, makaya mo. Person. And right now. Yan, start. Super mag-start na ta and ready na ang mga coloring materials.
Faster. Running like a Hellcat.
guys, finally we're almost done. Just waiting na lang para sa pag-dry sa new hair color ni Dot, and that's called the unicorn. So ang karon is magpaabot na ng ta, and still they are very focused on unicorn has 3 different colors: blue, pink, and purple. So as per Sir JM, pag successful daw ni siya, si Tot ang pinakauna maglakaw-lakaw na na-unicorn na hairstyle.
Ako yung shop para sa
Guys, we are almost done. Kapit na jud, blower na lang ang kulang, and shoot then. Gapagit siya sin. Reflect ang color. Kita na tanong niya ron. Kani siya, unsa na ang gibutang? Keratin.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you, for a moment even hope that I could feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you, for a moment even hope that I could feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Your voice is getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, while we gotta feel amplified.